It's the last day. We have one more sleep until we are moving. There's Walbert in the bedroom. That will all be gone tomorrow. Mostly the house is boxed up. A lot of stuff is in storage already. Got another giant donate pile. Boxes of boxes. We got rid of a lot more stuff. I can't even believe it. And I will show you where we're going to. This is the front room. Really nice and big. We're debating on whether we're gonna paint it or not. The paint isn't great, but it isn't bad either. And here is the kitchen wall. Kids are helping tape and paint, and that is gonna be the craft room back there. Real nice big kitchen with a pantry. Here is a nice little hallway. There's a large closet on this side. Really nice. And a smaller closet with drawers here. Or shelves here. And then this is gonna be the laundry room, a really cute mirror that the girls are excited about. And then my son's room, really big room. This would be the garage conversion. And then starting back down the hall to the left is the bathroom for the kids to share. Another nice mirror, they're very excited. Shower. Desi's room that we're gonna paint for her in a really pretty light cream color she picked. And once I seen her light cream color, I'm like, I want that in my room too. Really big bedroom. We've got it put off for painting. And that's a linen closet. And our bathroom with a nice shower and a fancy light.